Hello, welcome to the first part for the creation of FPM application which consumes Code Data Services or CDS view. This FPM application will be created using application creation tool. This is a three-part series, and at the end of this series you will be able to create an FPM application without writing a single line of code. In this part of the series, we will be defining what is an application creation tool, what is Code Data Services view and advanced view building, which CDS view we will be using for our sample application, and what is this sample application all about. So first, what is application creation tool? Application Creation Tool or ACT significantly reduces the effort involved in creating a new FPM application. The tool itself is a WebDemon application provided by FPM which allows application developers to create FPM applications and their corresponding configurations for all available floor plans, be it OIF, GF or OEP. ACT provides a creation wizard in order to generate UIBBs very fast. The created UIBBs can be changed via flexible UI designers afterwards. ACT internally uses the Service Adaptation Definition Language or SADL framework to consume business entities. But you as an FPM developer need not worry what is this SADL framework all about. The business entities can be a CDS view or any other table or view created in SE11. What is Code Data Services and Advanced View Building? Advanced View Building supports the code pushdown, as also it simplifies the consumption of relational database models. Today, you define views in the ABAP dictionary via transaction S11, but these views are quite restricted. For example, you can only define inner join for database views. Outer joins are available only for help and maintenance views. You cannot do aggregation in views. You cannot nest views. With ABAP 7.4 SP5, we deliver a new editor to define views directly in Eclipse-based ABAP development environment. This editor will be source-based in contrast to S11, which is form-based. And in this editor, you can define view entities which are known to be as Code Data Services view. The CDS view can be consumed in programs by means of OpenSQL. The new editor in Eclipse will support code pushdown by similar features like in OpenSQL. That means you will be able to do projections, aggregations, and groupings. You will be able to use expressions like in case statement. You will be able to use certain SQL built-in functions. Moreover, you can use union and union all, and you can do non-equi inner joins. To simplify consumption of relational data models, you can nest views. That means a view can consume another view. And you can define association between view entities. The associations can be consumed in the where clause as well as in expression. For our sample application, we will be using the CDS view SCPM CDS Open Invoice Reduce. This view can be found in the ABAP package SCPM OIA Apps Provider. This CDS view combines various tables of EPM models. The EPM model is available from 702 systems. The EPM data model provides the tables for sales orders, business partners, invoice, and various other entities. This view combines the tables of sales order invoice headers, sales orders, business partners, sales order invoice items, and dunning level text. The CDS view gives back the result for sales order ID, company name, dunning level, the dunning level description, currency code, and gross amount. The sample application which you will be creating will look similar to the reference application SCPM OIA saddle with the application configuration with the same name. This application can be found in the ABAP package SCPM OIA Apps FPM saddle. If you run this application, you can see two charts which are dining level and buyers, and a list which displays the open sales orders. So what is this scenario all about? So there is a fictional company, iTello, and it sells different products to different buyers. Whenever it sells, it creates a sales orders and a sales order invoice. For each of the invoice, there is a dunning level. The dunning level shows the level of action which has been taken for the collection of the invoice amount. So a dunning level can be a do not remind yet. That means the buyer need not be reminder yet for the collection of the payment for the particular sales order, or a buyer will be sent a first reminder to give the invoice amount, second reminder, third reminder. There can be presentation for collection, or there can be an action for payment. In this application, it shows the chart with different dunning levels. So you as an account manager, if you want to see which are all the sales orders which are under the third or the last reminder, then you can click on this slice, and these sales orders will be filtered according to what dunning level has been chosen. It also filters the buyer chart. So it shows all the buyers which has the sales orders under this dunning level. So for this third and the last reminder, these are all the buyers whose sales orders are in this dunning level. Suppose you want to filter down further the sales order list to see only the sales orders of PC Gym Tech, then you click on this slice and it will display all the sales orders for the PC Gym Tech. This list shows the sales orders grouped by the sales order ID. If you expand this group, you will be able to see the sales order ID, buyer name, the current dunning level, and the different currencies and the gross amount. That's the end of the first part. In the second part, you will be shown how to create an FPM application using ACT. In the third part, you will be changing the configuration using flexible UI designer, this configuration which was created in the second part by ACT. That's it from my side. Thank you.